The beauty industry is undergoing a blue revolution, a decisive shift from synthetic chemicals to the ancient wisdom of the ocean. Once a niche ingredient in luxury spas, algae have moved to the center of global skincare science. Driven by biotechnology and a demand for clean beauty, by 2034, the microalgae skincare market is projected to reach nearly $1 billion. This isn't just a trend, it's a foundational restructuring of how we treat our skin. Often called the green lungs of the ocean, algae produce half of the world's oxygen. This same metabolic efficiency creates bioactives that are uniquely compatible with human skin. At the heart of this revolution is protection. Algae produce potent secondary metabolites like astaxanthin to survive harsh UV radiation and high salinity. In skincare, these compounds neutralize the free radicals that cause premature aging, offering a level of biological defense that synthetics struggle to match. Then there is hydration. Algal polysaccharides like alginates have exceptional moisture-binding properties. Research shows that extracts from brown algae can retain moisture more effectively than even hyaluronic acid, the current industry gold standard. Beyond surface hydration, microalgae like spirulina and chlorella contain peptides that actually stimulate collagen synthesis within the skin. One study showed nearly a 45% reduction in cellular markers of aging when these marine actives were applied topically. Algae also offer a glimpse into the future of sun protection. They synthesize mycosporin-like amino acids, which act as natural UV absorbers. This offers a biological alternative to synthetic chemical filters, providing a natural sun protection factor that works with the skin's own biology. The power of algae lies in its diversity. With over 70,000 known species, each offers a distinct clinical benefit. Brown algae, the market leader, is rich in iodine and phocoidins. It's the powerhouse for firming and anti-wrinkle effects. Red algae is prized for its high mineral content, reinforcing the skin barrier and even providing natural colorants for clean cosmetics. Green algae, rich in chlorophyll, is used for detoxifying and brightening hyperpigmentation, soothing even the most sensitive skin. And blue-green algae like spirulina acts as a superfood for the skin, promoting cell renewal and defending against urban pollutants. But this revolution is about more than just beauty. It's about sustainability. Traditional skincare ingredients often require vast land and fresh water. Algae require neither. They grow in the ocean or in specialized systems that leave the land untouched and our forests standing. Modern cultivation has shifted toward photobioreactors, closed-loop systems that produce high-purity extracts without over-harvesting wild marine ecosystems. The industry is even exploring circular beauty, turning environmental nuisances like invasive seaweed into high-value active ingredients. Pioneers like Alginist have built entire brands around these discoveries, proving that marine-based biology is the future of performance. Companies like Osea, specializing in seaweed-based formulations, are leading the way in merging high-performance science with ecological integrity. Today, brands are launching anti-pollution protocols using spirulina to fight the damage caused by atmospheric smog and blue light. As regulations on synthetic retinoids tighten, algae peptides are emerging as a natural, non-irritating alternative for collagen production. Even hair care is benefiting, with marine-based scalp treatments expanding the reach of algae into every corner of the personal care market. By merging high-performance biology with a minimal ecological footprint, algae have transitioned from a simple spa treatment to a foundational technology. We are finally learning that nature's original solar panels are the most efficient chemists we have ever known. The future of beauty isn't found in a synthetic lab. It's growing in the tides and the light. A revolution that heals both skin and planet. Follow for daily science that inspires hope. Together, we can choose a future that works with life.